Welcome to Late Night Paris, where you'll learn French naturally through the story of Sarah, an American finding her way in the City of Light with help from her friend Emma. Each night, they share their adventures and teach you the French you'll actually use. Let's listen in.
Okay, so day 3 in Paris, and I think I've officially made a fool of myself at every single place I've been to.
Oh no! What happened? Tell me everything.
Where do I even start? I got on the metro going the wrong direction this morning. Ended up in some suburb I can't even pronounce.
This is very normal for the first week. The metro, it can be confusing, even for French people sometimes. Which suburb?
I don't know. It had like 15 letters and 3 silent ones probably. I just knew I was supposed to get off at Châtelet and somehow ended up at Chateau something.
Château de Vincennes? That's completely the opposite direction.
Yes, that one. I panicked and just got off and took it all the way back. But that's not even the worst part.
There's more.
Oh, there's so much more. You told me to try that café, right? Le Chat Noir, the one near my apartment?
Ah oui, yes, with Monsieur Dubois. Did you go?
I did. And I've been practicing my French all morning. I had this whole speech prepared in my head.
That's him. That's Monsieur Dubois. He's not mean, he's just très Parisian. Very Parisian. But continue, what did you say?
So I walk in, and there's this old man behind the counter. Looks like he hasn't smiled since 1975.
That's very funny. And what did you say to him?
I took a deep breath and said, Bonjour, monsieur. I was so proud of myself.
Bonjour.
That's not right, is it?
It's bonjour, ma chérie. Bonjour, not bon. Bon means good, jour means day. So, good day. Bonjour.
Bonjour? Oh, God. I said bonjour to a Frenchman.
It's okay. He understood you. What did he do?
He just stared at me, like really stared. And I started sweating. So I panicked and said, Café silver plate.
Café, silver plate? Sarah, you mean café, s'il vous plaît?
Yes, I was trying to say coffee, please, but it came out like I was coughing up a fancy dinner set.
Okay, let me help you. It's café. Say it with me. Café.
Café.
Good. And s'il vous plaît, this means please. We use this to be polite, especially with people we don't know. S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît?
Almost. S'il vous plaît. The S at the end, we don't say it. It's silent.
S'il vous plaît.
Perfect. So together? Café, s'il vous plaît.
Café, s'il vous plaît. That's so much prettier than what I said.
Much prettier. So did Monsieur Dubois give you the coffee?
He did, but then he said something really fast. It sounded like common allez-vous, and I just froze like a deer in headlights.
Comment allez-vous? He was asking how you are. This is formal French, very polite. Comment allez-vous means how are you when you're being respectful.
What did I say back?
What did you say?
I said yes, just yes.
Oh, Sarah.
He asked me how I was, and I said yes. Like, yes, I am how.
Okay. This is good. This is a good learning moment. So when someone asks comment allez-vous, you respond with je vais bien, merci.
Slow down. What does that mean?
Je vais bien means I am well or I am good. Merci means thank you. So je vais bien, merci. I am well, thank you.
Je vais bien. Merci.
Beautiful. You can also just say bien, merci if you want to be quick. That means good, thanks.
Bien, merci. Okay, that's easier.
Now, comment allez-vous is formal. It's what you say to strangers, older people, your boss, people you want to respect. But with friends, with me, you can say ça va.
Ça va.
Ça va. It means how's it going? Very casual, very friendly. And you answer the same way, ça va, which means it's going well, or just I'm good.
So ça va is both the question and the answer?
Exactly. You're so smart. Ça va, ça va. See? Easy.
Ça va. I like that one. It feels less scary.
Good. So now you know. Bonjour for hello. Comment allez-vous for formal, how are you? Ça va for casual, how's it going? And je vais bien, merci for the answer. These are your magic words.
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Ça va. Je vais bien. Merci.
And don't forget café, s'il vous plaît.
Café, s'il vous plaît. not café silver plate.
You know what? This reminds me of my first week in London, when I moved there for university.
Oh no, what did you do?
I went to a pub and I was so thirsty. I wanted water, so I asked for water, but with my French accent, it sounded like vodka.
No.
Oui, yes. No, the bartender brought me a shot of vodka at 11 in the morning. I was too embarrassed to correct him, so I just drank it.
You drank vodka at 11 a.m. because you were too scared to correct him?
I was 19 and terrified. But you see, we all make these mistakes. It's how we learn. The embarrassment, it makes the memory stick.
That actually makes me feel better. So when Monsieur Dubois just nodded and walked away after I said yes to his question, that was him being nice?
In his way, oui. Monsieur Dubois, he doesn't talk much. But he gave you the coffee, no?
He did. And it was really good coffee, like the best coffee I've had in my life.
That's Paris. We take our café very seriously. Did he charge you?
€3.
3 euros. That's the normal price. Trois means 3. This is important. Let me teach you numbers quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. These 5 numbers, you will use them every day. At the café, at the market, everywhere. Un café, deux croissants, 3 euros.
I need to write this down. Okay, so 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5.
Excellent. Now, tomorrow you go back to Le Chat Noir. You walk in, you say, Bonjour, Monsieur Dubois.
Bonjour, Monsieur Dubois.
Then you say, Un café, s'il vous plaît.
Un café, s'il vous plaît. 1 coffee, please.
And when he asks, Comment allez-vous? You say,
Je vais bien, merci.
Perfect. And then you can ask him, Et vous? That means, and you? You're asking him how he is.
Et vous? That's pretty.
It's polite. It shows you care. Even Monsieur Dubois, with his grumpy face, he will appreciate this.
You really think so?
I know so. French people, we can seem cold at first. But when you make the effort to speak our language, to be polite, to follow our customs, we open up. Trust me.
Can I tell you something?
Bien sûr. Of course.
When I decided to move here, everyone thought I was crazy. My mom, my friends, even my ex-boyfriend said I was running away from my problems.
And what do you think?
I think maybe I am running away. But maybe that's okay. Maybe sometimes you need to run away to find yourself, you know?
I know exactly what you mean. I moved to London to run away too. From expectations, from family pressure, from who I was supposed to be. And you know what I found?
What?
That running away is sometimes just running toward something better, toward the person you want to become.
That's exactly it. And today, even though I embarrassed myself at the cafe, even though I said bonjour and café, even with all of that, I felt alive. Does that sound stupid?
No, not stupid at all. It sounds brave.
I'm glad I met you, Emma. I don't know what I would do here without these talks.
Me too, Sarah. And tomorrow, we celebrate your first real French conversation with Monsieur Dubois. I predict he will smile.
Now I know you're crazy. That man doesn't smile.
We'll see. Now, practice your words before you sleep. Bonjour, café, s'il vous plaît. Merci.
Bonjour, café, s'il vous plaît. Merci, je vais bien.
Parfait, perfect. Bonne nuit, Sarah.
Bonne nuit. That's good night, right?
Oui, see, you're learning already. Sleep well, mon ami, my friend.
Good night, Emma. And merci.
Avec plaisir. With pleasure. That's what friends are for.
Bonjour, Monsieur Dubois. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to have my first real French conversation. And maybe, just maybe, I'll make that grumpy old man smile.
And that's where we'll leave Sarah tonight, practicing her French and dreaming of tomorrow. Now let's review what you learned today. Listen carefully and repeat after me if you'd like. First, greetings. Bonjour, that means hello or good day. Bonjour. Next, how to be polite. S'il vous plaît, that's please. S'il vous plaît, and merci. Thank you. Merci. Now, let's learn how to ask someone how they are formally. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? And the response, Je vais bien, merci. I am well, thank you. Je vais bien, merci. For casual situations with friends, you can say, Ça va? How's it going? Ça va? And to respond, Ça va? I'm good. Ça va? Don't forget to ask back, Et vous? And you? Et vous? Now, let's practice ordering coffee. Un café, s'il vous plaît. One coffee, please. Un café, s'il vous plaît. And finally, the numbers 1 through 5. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. One more time. Slowly. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. And to say goodnight, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Excellent work today. Tomorrow, Sarah heads to the market and you'll learn how to shop for food in French. Until then, practice these phrases and remember, making mistakes is how we learn. Bonne nuit, and see you tomorrow on Late Night Paris.